Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need 2 apps already opened and visible in recent apps. First, make sure your Pixel 8 has the latest update so split screen behaves predictably. Then open the first app and press the Recent Apps button or swipe up to view multitasking. This shows app cards you will combine. Remember to position apps you plan to use together, because once you start split screen, you'll choose from these cards. Once done, you're ready to activate split screen for the first app. You'll tap the app icon at the top of its recent app card to open a small menu. Select split screen to pin that app to the top or left. Next, choose the second app from the remaining recent cards or open it from the app drawer. It will take the other pane automatically. Make sure to drag the middle divider to resize windows for reading or typing. Because Pixel 8 uses gesture nav, practice swipes to avoid accidentally closing an app. To finish, drag the divider fully to the edge of the screen to return one app to full screen, or press home to keep both running in background. Make sure to use app pair shortcuts from recents if you repeat the same combo often. It saves time. If split screen doesn't start, force close one of the apps or restart your Pixel 8, and make sure no app is locked to picture-in-picture. Then retry. This fixes most permission or layout conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.